Hey there, home makeover enthusiasts. Glowing star, today we're talking about trendy living room makeovers for 2025. From the hottest colors to stylish sofas, we're covering everything you need to give your space a fresh, modern vibe. This year, it's all about bold colors, innovative sofa designs, and creating spaces that reflect your personality while staying super functional. Let's get started. Segment 1, Color Trends for 2025. First up, let's talk colors. 2025 is bringing a fresh palette that's equal parts bold and soothing. Earthy neutrals, think warm terracottas, muted browns, and soft sand tones. Perfect for grounding your space. Vibrant blues and greens, ocean-inspired hues like teal and emerald green are taking center stage. Statement pinks, dusty rose and soft coral shades are making their way into modern interiors for a chic touch. Deep jewel tones, rich colors like sapphire and amethyst add drama and sophistication to any space. Segment 2, Sofa Trends for 2025. Now let's talk sofas, the centerpiece of your living room. This year, it's all about combining comfort with style. Here are the top sofa trends. Modular sofas, these are perfect for flexible living. Rearrange the pieces to fit your space or mood. Curved sofas, soft, rounded shapes create a cozy and inviting vibe. Bold upholstery, say goodbye to boring fabrics. Think textured velvet, bold patterns, and even eco-friendly materials. Multifunctional sofas, built-in storage or sofa beds that are as stylish as they are practical. Segment 3, Accessorizing your living room. Now that we've nailed the colors and sofas, let's not forget the finishing touches. Accessories make or break the vibe of your space. Statement lighting, oversized pendant lights and unique floor lamps are a must-have. Layered textures, add depth with cozy throws, patterned cushions, and layered rugs. Greenery galore, indoor plants like fiddle leaf figs and monstera are still trending, plus, they purify your air. Art and mirrors, Large-scale art or sculptural mirrors make your room feel larger and more sophisticated. That's a wrap on 2025's top living room trends. Party popper. From bold colors to chic sofas and personalized accessories, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips and inspiration. See you next time.